There's a secret side to your mortgage payment. When you're making a mortgage payment, it has different parts. It has your principal, it has your interest, it may have your escrow account, it may have your PMI, your mortgage insurance, and what we want to go over is your escrow account. Right? A lot of people get confused with this. Where is this account? Why did they create this account, right? This is a escrow account is more of a savings account managed by your lender. So instead of you paying your property taxes and home insurance directly to those companies, your lender will collect those funds with your mortgage payment. Right? So let's say you have a mortgage payment of $4,000, there may be a portion, let's say $500, that's included in this. So $3,500 might be going to other things, but $500 is going to your escrow account, right? So this is an example here. So that escrow account, when you're starting, right, at the closing table, part of your closing cost, there's an escrow section. So in the initial stages, when you're closing this deal, maybe your lender may ask you for $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, depending on your property taxes, how much they want in that escrow account, right? So you're starting off with $3,000, and your first payment, when you make that first $4,000 payment, mortgage payment, $500 will go towards this account. So your balance on this escrow account is going to be $3,500 after your first month's payment. And your second month is going to go up to $4,000, third month, $4,500. And it's going to keep increasing until you need these funds. You need it for property taxes. Let's say you have a property bill. Your lender is going to use these funds and pay that off. When your home insurance is renewing, right, they're going to pay that as well. So there might be some shortages. Let's say your property taxes or your home insurance goes up and there's not enough funds. Then the lender may ask you for a lump sum or may increase your monthly payment. On the other hand, if there's overages, right, it's too much money in there, and they might send you a refund check for that. And how about if you sell your house or if you refinance? Whenever this comes, this is your money. So they're going to close this escrow account and give you any remaining balance that you have, and they will refund you this. Escrow account is not so bad if you're a first-time home buyer. If you're an investor and you have the funds available every time property taxes are due, so you may request to waive this escrow account. If you're a first-time home buyer, we highly recommend that you stick with this so there's no surprises. So every time you have a property tax bill, your escrow account will pay that. Every time you have a home insurance renewed, your escrow account will pay that. If you need any assistance, please get in touch.